Pakistan Achievement Awards International 2021 Journalist of the Year Award in Electronic Media goes to Azhar Javed. 11th Pakistan Achievement Awards International 2021 Lifetime Achievement Awards in Television Industry goes to Taqir Nasir. 11th Pakistan Achievement Awards International 2021 Excellent Services Awards in Business Midland goes to Abid